Hello everyone, welcome you. So in this session we are going to cover D2 additional content creation configuration. So here basically we are going to see how to create a template, auto naming, auto linking, linked documents and security template. So to define basically template list any content if you want to create in a document in D or else in D2. Some template should be defined, right? So if it's not mandatory. If user expect some template is required while creating a document, using template list we can create. Next, security template is nothing but ACLs and auto naming. How to define the name of the document automatically. If user expect this feature, using autonomy we can define. Auto linking is nothing but to create to basically providing a path to a document where it exactly to be stored. If that path is not get created, if the path is defined, the path will automatically get created, those folder will automatically get created and the document will get stored in that. This feature is defined using auto linking. And the linked document is something if some additional documents needs to be get linked into the document while creation itself based on the requirement. So linked document features will help for that. So in this D2, the important concept we are going to cover here: linked document security, autonomy, auto linking, and templates. First, we are going to see template list creation. So here, template choice is made at the end of the document creation process. Okay, while user creating a content, at the end of the content creation, you can select the template to populate the document. In basically defining the format. So here, considered as a quality management application, they are allowing users to choose a template based on the available list. So this is how you have to create file new template list. There you can import the template whichever you defined in this part. As usual, you have to define the name of the template, quality doc template, application you have to select, and additional group, quality work group, and the list of template which you can import. So while content creation process, at the end of the content creation process, user can select any one of the template based on the document type. Yeah. So next is security template. Security template basically enables you to apply dynamic ACLs. So any security ACLs will apply three things, three users like DM underscore old, DM underscore owner, author, and one is like group whichever you define. Basically, every DMS role will have the browse permission. DMS owner should have delete, author should have version, and group you can give the right permission. This is how you have to define the ACLs. Next is autonomy. As I said, autonomy will help to give the some dynamic name creation process for the document which is get created in the repository. The dynamic data can get from the property or as a date, as a numerics, or as a constant. You can define however you want. Here, take example in the quality management application, we want to automatically generate the name of the document type. In between, document type needs to be added. For example, he is creating, consider like there are three types of document type: quality document, um, quality dictionary. Consider like three types of document. So based on the document type we select in the property, that name needs to be automatically get created here. Here they have given quality and num should be constant. So to insert the static text, select the position where the text will be inserted and then enter the text. The in between name should be R object type. So in property R object type needs to be mapped, and if it English language means EN you have to select, and the triple Y must be a date, so you can define the date here. Date format also you can define, and in order to add the count you can give the count value. It should be single digit or three digit Based on that, each and every document the count will keep increase. So you can apply the auto-naming under file new auto-naming, and the property name you can define, auto-naming template you can define here, so that every document when you after creating, when you save, it will get create in this format. Quality will be the constant. Directive is a type of document. 2011 is the triple Y year format. Num is once again the constant. 0007 is the counter number of document. This is the auto naming and auto linking. As I said, to enable the path where the document gets stored is called auto linking. So each placement in the path in the repository, if the path does not exist, it will get create automatically. Here consider like a quality management application as example, how they are defining the cabinets of the path. You can see the path. First, DMS cabinet is mandatory. You can give any cabinet name and DM underscore folder. In order to create a dynamic path, you can give the R object type as a DM underscore first folder path, second folder path. You can give the A underscore category. A underscore category is a custom attribute based on the user selected value. The folder will get created here. So based on the each cabinet folder creation also, the ACL template of the security of the each folder level should get create. And basically we have to select ACL also here. So this is how to create the auto linking file, new auto linking. Define the name, I'll select the application. As usual, you have to define the structure like DM cabinet, DM folder, and where the document get created. So you can see an example. Quality work group is a cabinet, and the procedure folder and another one folder will get created. Under quality folder, the document will get created. This is called auto linking. Next, you will see linked document. Linked document is a feature which allow you to automatically create additional documents during the creation process and link them into the created one. The new document will be created according to the settings in the configuration matrix. Consider like a quality management application, they want to attach a document called change request document whenever the new document get created as a procedure document. So it has to be defined in the artifact. So that's all, friends. Today in this session we have seen auto naming, auto linking. These are like mandatory concepts. Like every application, these two, any D2 application, if you take auto naming, auto linking is mandatory. Template list, it's like user request, and security template is also like mandatory. Linked template, linked documents also like these are all the basic content creation configuration. Though it was named as additional content creation, it's like important content creation concepts. So that's all from this session. In upcoming session, we will see uh, something more concepts. Thanks for watching.